You eat this every day. But do you know what mega factories in the corrupt food industry are really hiding? Inside these hidden mega factories, raw ingredients arrive by the ton. But what happens next is rarely shown.
Load's coming down, watch the flow.
First, they wash away the obvious dirt. But the corrupt food industry has much more to hide. Advanced sorters remove the worst time, yet questions remain about what still slips through in mass production. Peeling at industrial scale, where speed matters more than perfection. Slicing millions of pieces per hour, this is how the corrupt food industry feeds the world. Cooked under extreme conditions, where additives and oils become part of the secret recipe. Flavorings and additives are added here, the hidden ingredients the mega factories don't want you to question. Advanced automation controls everything, or so they claim.
Check this one. Dark spot, remove.
Quality control checks, but in the corrupt food industry, how thorough are they really? Behind closed tanks, the real mixtures that give these products their addictive taste. Packaged at lightning speed, fresh from the mega factory floor. Labels tell one story. What the corrupt food industry hides is on the inside. Scanners look for metal, but they can't detect everything. Boxed and ready, but the real questions about ingredients remain hidden. Even with these checks, the corrupt food industry pushes massive volumes through, raising questions about what truly gets through. Frying in vast quantities of oil, the step that gives the crunch, but hides the real calorie and additive story.
Nu är vi hemsökande makes you a lot of the magri because Matt Stichter is the news of Governor in the show stance, and side was the something my spill personas 8 and 20 mil.
Here, the secret flavor blends are added, the engineered tastes that keep consumers coming back for more. Cooling and moisture control at industrial scale, precision that masks the overall processing intensity. Final automated eyes scan for flaws, but in the corrupt food industry, the bigger picture stays hidden. Portioned with machine precision, feeding the endless demand of modern snacking. Sealed and flushed for shelf life, extending how long these ultra-processed snacks last. Boxed for distribution, the final factory step before these products reach your shelves. Palletized and wrapped, ready for the global supply chain of the corrupt food industry. Stored in massive warehouses, where millions of units wait before heading out. Lab tests claim safety, yet many question the long-term effects of these processed foods. Final checks complete, now the hidden journey of these mega factory products continues. Loaded onto trucks, heading to supermarkets worldwide from these secretive mega factories. Trucks roll out daily from these mega factories, carrying what the corrupt food industry produces at scale.
All right, slide the first one in. Next one, keep it steady.
Temperature-controlled shipping hides the journey, but not the questions about what's really inside. From hidden megafactories to global shelves, this is the supply chain the industry doesn't want scrutinized. Distribution centers move millions of units, keeping the corrupt food industry's products flowing non-stop. Massive amounts of waste are generated daily, another hidden cost of the corrupt food industry's efficiency.